Hello everyone, this is 10KBM and we're your friends, and today we're going to be talking about the sixth business you should go into in the year 2020. The sixth business you should go into in the year 2020, and this is the last business I'm going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about right now. This is the last business we're going to be discussing about that you should go into in the year 2020, because we already give you sixth list of businesses. So the sixth business you should go into in the year 2020, it's real estate. Yes, you heard me correctly. You should go into real estate. Real estate is the sixth business you should go into in the year 2020. So many people want to live in houses, but they can't afford to build. So when you build for them to be able to stay in, they are happy to pay for it. And there are some areas, there are some parts that it's a commercial area that they can't just come there and build over a period of time, because they are coming there to work and then still travel back to their houses. So they will have to stay temporarily, maybe a year or two. So they will want to still rent those accommodations. So the ball is in your court now to be able to see, okay, this area is a commercial area and people come here daily to work, but they can't go back to their home every day, so they will need a place to stay. So let me get here and here and here built on so that they can stay, and they will be willing to pay for that. What about event centers? Daily and weekly, especially on the weekend and on festive period, event centers are always fully booked, because people are having one cost for celebration or the other. So event center gives you money in a snap, though it requires a lot of money to start up, because you need to get land, you need to start building and all that, or you just buy outrightly. Yes, it's very expensive to go into real estate, but it is a very lucrative one at that. It is a very lucrative one. So real estate is one of the best businesses you should go into in 2020. Be it buying of land, buying of houses, or building of houses and building of event centers and parks. Can also be parks, can also be office space, but you should have one form of real estate or the other. And you see money keep pouring into your pocket, because people are always willing to pay for it. People always want something right now, and when you give them something right now in a snap, they are willing to pay for it. So real estate is the business you want to go into in 2020. Remember, we are not financial advisors, we are just financial educators. So please do your due diligence, do your research before going to any business. This is 10KBM and we are your friends. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Do have a nice day.